Good morning children, welcome to grade 4 mathematics online class. So children, we are dealing with the lesson 3, that is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Yes, multiplication is repeated addition, isn't it ma? So in the last class we learned about how to multiply by breaking up numbers, isn't it? How to multiply the numbers, which method? By using the breaking up method, isn't it ma? And today we are going to see multiplication by box method. Okay, this is also multiplication. Here we are going to use box method. Okay, so let's start our class. So in box multiplication we can break up the both the numbers according to the place values and multiply. Okay ma? So the box multiplication, the both numbers, that is multiplicand and also the multiplier, we have to break it and we can multiply. Okay, so we can see the first question. So first question we have to multiply 45 by 32. Okay, multiply 45 by 32. So in this question we have 45 as the multiplicand and 32 as the multiplier, isn't it ma? So first we have to break up these numbers, both the multiplicand and the multiplier we have to break it first. Okay, so first we have to write solution and we can write 45 is equal to, we have to break it as 40 plus 5. So 45 we can write it, break it as 40 plus 5. And also we have to break the multiplier, that is 32. We can break the 32 as 30 plus 2. Okay, so this is the first thing we have to do. Okay, first we have to break the numbers like this. Okay ma? Second step, we have to draw a box like this, and next we have to place the 40 and 5 at the top of the box. Okay, 40, and in second box we have to write the 5. And we have 30 and 2. No, that 30 and 2 we have to write at the left side of the box like 30 and 2. Okay, ma, have understood this? Next we are going to multiply the 30 and 40. Okay, at the top we have 40. No, so 40 multiplied by 30, and as well as we have to multiply this 30 with the 5. Okay, next second box we have to multiply 40 and 2, and here we have to multiply 5 and 2 in the next box. Okay, so just you watch it ma, so you can understand. So we are going to multiply 40 into 30. Okay, so 40 into 30, that means we have to multiply this number by this number, because these two numbers having the corresponding one box we have. No, so that box we have to multiply that numbers. So when you multiply, we know that at the ones place if you have zeros means just to leave the zeros and we have to multiply, isn't it ma? So here in the ones place we have 0, and as well as in the second number also in the ones place we have 0. So we can leave that zeros and we have to multiply the tens places. So 4 into 3, isn't it? 4 3s are what ma? 4 3s are 12, isn't it? So we will get 12. Next, how many zeros we have at the two numbers? Yes, in two numbers we have two zeros. No, so we have to write the zeros at the back of the 12. So if you multiply 40 and 30, you will get 1200. Okay, so that's why we multiplied first 4 and 3. So we got 12. Next, in the 40 and 30, we have two zeros in the ones place. That two zeros we have to write at the back of the 12. Okay, have you understood this? Next, look at the next one ma. So in this box, we have to multiply 30 and 5. Okay, 30 and 5. So first we can write the 5. Okay, 5. So 5 into, so this is a 32nd number. So in this box it is common to the 5 and 30. No, so we can multiply the 5 and 30 in this box, that is equal to, so in the 5 we have no zeros in it ma, in the ones place. In the 30 we have ones place we have 0, so just we can leave the 0 and multiply the 5 and 3. Okay, first we have to multiply the 5 and 3 at the back of the number. We will get the product now. 5 and 3 is what ma? 15, isn't it? 5 3 is a 15, isn't it? First we have to multiply the 5 with the 3. Okay, 5 3 is a 50. So in the ones place in the 30 we have 0. No, only one 0 is there, so we have to place the 0 at the back of the 50. So we will get 150. So if you multiply 30 and 5, we will get 150 as the answer. Have you understood this? Here we have 2 0, that's why we return 2 zeros at the back of that number. Okay ma? Look at next one. Next we have to multiply the 2 with the 40, otherwise 40 with the 2. Okay, so we can write the 40 first into, next number is what ma? 2, because this box is common for 40 and 30 no, so we can write that number here. Okay, so that is equal to, so here in the 40 we have ones place we have 0 and tens place we have 4. So in the 2 you have ones place we have 2 no, so first we can multiply 4 and 2. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. Yes, you will get 8, and in the 40 we have 0 no, in the ones place that 0 we can write at the back of the 8, so we will get 80. 40 into 2 is 80. Okay, next we have to multiply these two numbers because this box is common to 5 and 2 no, so we have to multiply 5 into 2, that is equal to, so here we have no zeros in the ones place no, in the two numbers we have no zero, just we have to multiply 5 and 2. So 5 2s are what? 10. So we got 10. Okay, have you understood this? So we have to first break the numbers like this. Okay, so break the multiplicand and multiplier like this. Next we have to draw the box. Next we have to write the break numbers at the top of the box and as well as the left side of the box. Next we have to multiply like this. Then next step we have to add the product. Okay, so we have the product no, here we have a product as 1200, here product is 150, and next box we have 80 as the product, and here we have the product as 10. So here now we are going to add all the products. Okay, in the next line we can write, so our question is what 45 into 32 is our question, isn't it? So 45 into 32 is equal to, next we have to add all the product whatever we get it in this box. So first box we got 1200 as a product, and second one, so from the left side to right we can write in the first box. Okay, so in the first box we have 1200 and second box we have 150, and next plus, next we have to add the next number in the second box, so 80 plus 10. So we can add this number. Okay, so this is a rough work. Okay, we can do it at the right side of the booklet. So 1200, then 051, 08 and 01. We can add everything. Okay, so here we have everything 0 no, isn't it? We have zeros. So in the ones place we have all the zeros are there. So if you add the zeros means you will get the 0 in the product also. Next 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is what 5 plus 8 is 13, isn't it? 13 plus 1 is what 14. So you will get 4 here and 1 will be the balance. So that balance we can write the next number above. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, isn't it? So 4, and here 1 is alone, so we can write the 1 as it is. So when you add the product, so you will get 1440 as the answer. So we can write answer is equal to 1440. Okay, next look at next question ma. So second question we have to multiply 436 multiplied by 27. Okay, 436 multiplied by 27. So we know that first we have to break the numbers. Okay, so the first given number is 436. So first if you break the number means you will get 400 plus 30 plus 6. Okay, so if you break the number, the 436 means you will get 400 plus 30 plus 6. Likewise, next we can write the multiplier. So multiplier is 27. If you multiply 27 means you will get 20 plus 7. Okay, 20 plus 7. Next we can draw the box. Okay, so we have drawn the box. So listen ma, in the first question we have drawn only 2 boxes now, but here we have 3 columns, isn't it? Why we have 3 columns means here we have 3 numbers now, that is 400, 30 and 6. So that's why we have drawn the 3 boxes like this. Okay, and here we have 2 numbers only. Multiplier we have only 20 and 7 now, so that's why we have 2 boxes here. Multiplier we have 3 numbers, that's why we have 3 boxes. Okay, so we have to write the numbers at the top of the box. So first we have 400, next we have to write 30, and next box at the top you have to write 6. Likewise, in the left side of the box we can write the numbers as 20 and 7 like this. Okay, next we can multiply the numbers. So we have to multiply these 2 numbers. Okay, this 2 numbers, because this box is common for 420 no. So we have to multiply 400 into 20 is equal to. So we know that here we in the ones place we have 0 no. So here also in the ones place and tens place we have 0. So we can leave that zeros and multiply the numbers. Okay. So what are the numbers we have? 4 and 2. 4 2s are what ma? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So we'll get 8. And next what we have to do? Yes, we have to write the zeros at the back of the number. So here we have 2 zeros and here 1 0. So if you add means 1 2 3. 3 zeros are there. So we have to place the 3 zeros at the back of it. So we will get 8,000 as the answer. If you multiply 400 and by 20 means we will get 8,000 as answer. Okay ma. Next step. So in this box what are numbers we have to multiply? Yes, we have to multiply the 30 and the 20. Okay, this is common for 30 and 20 no. So we have to multiply 30 into 20. So as usual we have to leave the ones places we have 0 now. So we can leave that and we can multiply the tens places. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are what ma? 3 2s are 6. So we can write the 6. And next, how many zeros are at the back of the numbers? Yes, we have 1, 2, 2 zeros. So that zeros we can write at the back of 6. So we will get 600 as answer. Okay. Next, this box. This box is common for the 20 and 6. No. So we have to multiply 6 into 20. Okay. 6 into 20. So here the 20 we have ones place we have 0 no. So just we can leave it and multiply 6 2s are. 6 2s are what ma? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12 no. So we can write 12 and in the 20 we have 1 0 no. That 0 we have to place at the back of the 12. Okay, so we will get 120 as the answer. If you multiply 20 by 6 means your answer is what ma? 120 is the answer. Next, so next box this one. So here we have to multiply the 7 by all the numbers. Okay, 1 by 1 numbers we have to multiply by 7. So we have first 400 now. So we can write the 400. So 400 into which number ma? Yes, 7. So we have to leave the 2 zeros in the 400. That is ones and tens place we have zeros no. So just we can leave it and multiply the 4 and 7. So 4 sevens are what ma? We can say the 7 table no. So 1 7 is 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, isn't it? 28. And at the back of the 400 we have 2 zeros now. That 2 zeros we can place it at the back of 28. So we will get 2,800 as answer. Okay, 2,800. Next we have to multiply 30 and 7. Okay, 30 and 7. So we can write 30 into 7 is equal to. So here also just we can read the 0 in the ones place and next we have to multiply the 3 and 7. Okay, so in the 30 we have tens place we have 3 as number and 7 is there. So 3 sevens are what ma? 3 sevens are 21. So we can write 21 and in the 30 we have 0 no at the ones place. So we can write the 0 in the back of the 20. So the answer is what ma? 210. Next number is what? We have to multiply 6 by 7. Okay, 6 by 7. 6 multiplied by 7. So here we can say the 6 table or 7 table. Okay, so if you say 6 table means 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30 and 6 6 are 36 and 7 6 are what ma? 7 6 are 42. So we will get 42 as the answer. So we have completed the second step. So second step we have multiplied the numbers, isn't it ma? Next second and third step is over. Second step we have to draw the box and place the numbers at the top and the left. Third step we have to multiply the numbers and write it in the box. Okay, and the fourth step we have what ma? We have to add all the products. Okay, so our question is what? We have to multiply 436 by 27. So with number we can write it that. So 436 into 27. So what are the numbers? What are the products? We get it from this multiplication ma? Yes, we got 800. So we can write first number, that is 8. Only write the product. Okay, 800 plus next product is what ma? Yes, 600 is our product. So we can write 600 plus next product is 120. Then plus come to the next box. Okay, next box we have 2,800 as the product plus next box we have 210. In the last box we have 42. So next we have to add all these numbers. Okay ma, so we can add it. So here I am going to add. Okay, if you have place here means you can add it. So first number is what ma? 8,000. Second one is 006. Next 0 to 1. Next one we have 0082. Next 012. Then 24. We have to add everything. Okay, so when you add these numbers, so first we have the first four numbers we have 0. So 0 plus 0 means you will get 0 only. So 0 plus 2 means what man? 0 plus 2 is 2. Next we have to add these numbers. Next tens places. In the tens place we have 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is what ma? 3 plus 4 is 7. Next we can add the 100 place values. So 0 plus 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 8 is what ma? Yes, 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17. So next we can write the one remainder in the 1000 place above. So 1000 place value what we have? 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 2 is what ma? 11. So we got 11,772 as the answer. So we can write it, that is equal to 11,772. So we can write the answer is equal to 11,772. Okay, I understood. Next we can move on to the next problem. So third problem, we have to multiply 423 by 230. So first we can write the solution, and we know the first step we have to break the number. So first multiplicand is 423. So we have to break it as 400 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, so we can break the 423 as 400 plus 20 plus 3. So next multiplicand as what ma'am? Sorry, multiplier as 230 we have. Multiplier is 230. So 230 we can break it as 200 plus 10 plus 3. Okay, so this is the first step. First step we have to break the numbers. Okay, break the multiplicand and the multiplier like this. Okay, next we can draw the box and place these values above the box and left of the box. So second step we have drawn the box. Okay, so here the multiplicand we have 3 numbers and the multiplier we have 3 numbers. That's why we have 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay ma, so we can place the numbers. So first we have 400. So 400. Then next box we can write 20, and next box above we can write 3. So first numbers we have write to the top of the box, and next values we can write to the left side of the box. So 200 is the second number, and 10 and 3. Okay, next we can multiply the numbers. So here we have 400 into 200. Okay, isn't it ma? 400 into 200 only, no? This two numbers. So here in the ones and tenth place, in the both numbers we have 0 now. So just we can leave the zeros and multiply the 100 place value. What we have ma? Yes, 4 and 2. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. Next we have how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 zeros we can write at the back of that 8. So we will get 80,000. Okay, 80,000 as the answer. So if you multiply 400 and 200 means what's our answer? 80,000 is our answer. Next we have to multiply 20 with the 200. So we have to multiply 20 by 200. That is equal to. So first we have to see how many zeros. In the ones place we have 0, and as well as tens place also we have 0 in the 200. Okay, so just we can leave it that and multiply the 2 and 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are what? 2 2s are 4. 4. Next at the back of the 220 how many zeros there? 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 zeros. 3 zeros we have to write. So we will get 4,000 as the answer. So next we have to multiply the 3 with the 200. Okay, 3 into 200 is equal to. Here we have to multiply the 3 and 2. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. So in the 200 how many zeros man? Yes, 2 zeros in the ones and tens place. That zeros we can write the back. So we will get 600 as the answer. Okay, next we have what? 10 we have to multiply it by 400. Okay, so we have to multiply the 400 by 10, that is equal to, so just we can leave the zeros in the ones and tens places and multiply the numbers, okay, non-zero numbers. That means 4 into 1, 4 ones are what ma, 4. Next, how many zeros? 1 2 3, so 3 zeros we can write at the back of the 4, so we will get 4000 as answer. Okay, so 400 into 10 we will get 4000 as answer. Next we have to multiply the 20 with the 10. Okay, 20 and 10, so 20 multiplied by 10. So in the 10 and 20, in the ones place we have 0. So just we leave it and multiply the tens place. That is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Next, how many zeros are there, ma? Yes, so 2 zeros. Next we have to multiply the 3 by 10. Okay, 3 by 10. So 3 into 10. Okay. Have you understood, ma? First we have to multiply these two numbers, then this number and this number. Okay. And the third number by the first, this number. Likewise, the second number by the first number and second number by second number by the third number. So we will get 3 into 10. So here we have to multiply 3 and the 1. So 3 into 1 what ma? 3. And here in the ones place we have only 1 0. So we can write. So 3 into 10 is 30. Okay. Next we have to multiply the third value with the first value. That means 400 we have to multiply it by 3. So we have to multiply the 4 and 3. 4 3s are what ma? Yes, 12. 4 3s are 12 and 2 zeros are there in the 400. So we can write the 2 zeros. Okay, so we will get 1200. Next we have to multiply 20 by 3. So 20 into 3. Multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are what ma? 2 3s are 6 we will get, and at the back of the 20 we have only 1 0. So 20 into 3 is 60 is the answer. So next we have 3, isn't it? 3 into 3. That means this number and this number. 3 multiplied by 3 is what? 3 3s are 9. Okay. So second step we draw on the box and place the values. And third step we have to multiply the numbers. Okay. So third step is over. Fourth step we have to add the product. So we can do it that. So our question is we have to multiply 423 into 213, that is equal to. So first we can write the first box products everything. Okay. So first product is what ma? 80,000 plus next box we have 4,000 plus next one 600, isn't it? The next come to the next box, that is 4,000 plus next one 200 plus next one 30 plus next we can write the next values. Okay, that means 1200 plus 60 plus 9. Okay, so next we have to add these all products and get the answer. Okay, we can do it. Now we can add these numbers. So here in the ones place everything is 0. At the down we have only 1 9. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay ma, isn't it? Next we have to add next tens place. Okay, so tens place we have 0. So next we have 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is what ma? Yes, 9. Next we can add the 100 place value. So 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 6 is 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is what ma? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 we can write the 0 here and 1 balance in the 1000 place. Okay. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is what ma? 10. So 10 means we have to write the 0 and 1 balance in the 10,000 place we have to write. So 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is what ma? Yes, 9. So our answer is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 90,099 is our answer. So we can write the answer here. So that is equal to 90099 and place the comma. Okay, and place the comma and we can write. So answer is equal to 90,099 is our answer. Okay, 90,099. So next you have some homework. So first question you have 2982 multiplied by 41. And next one, you have to multiply 545 by 312. So first step, you have to break the numbers. Okay, break the multiplicand and multiplier. Next step, you have to draw the box and place the values above and left side of the box. And third step, you have to multiply and get the product. And the fourth step, you have to add all the product and get the answer. Okay ma, so do the problem. Today you have only 2 homework, so do it. Okay ma, and we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye, thank you.